How to find someone's social media account by phone number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, tap on the Follow and Invite Friends option. Now, tap on the Follow Contacts option you see there and then tap on the Continue option you see there at the bottom. And with this, the contacts will be connected to Instagram. So simply tap on the Contacts option under the Invite Your Friends tab and then tap on the search bar and paste the contact number that you want to find. And with this, the contact will appear if they are on Instagram. So, this is how you can find someone's social media account by phone number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.